Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create groups on Zotero. So once you're inside your Zotero account, simply go ahead and sign in. Go ahead and click on groups on the top there. It will take you back to the whole view or looks of Zotero. And just before you create a group, you can just watch this little video right here that you can play.
Zotero
It's going to give you guidance on how to
to share
create
research
group,
sources.
right? It's about
To
a
create a
minute,
new group,
and so
I
you
click
just
the
need
New
to watch
Group
it to
button.
understand how to create
The
groups.
site
But
then prompts me to name
nevertheless,
the group and
to create groups
specify
is
how
super
public I
easy.
want
Just
the
go
group to
ahead
be.
and look right below the Zotero groups
I can
title
then add
here or
additional
header here.
information
You'll
about
find
my group.
create a group. You click on that. You give your group a name. So for example, I'm gonna call this one family as an example. You can see that it's zotero.org/group/family, and you can choose whether or not you want to make the group open membership or public, closed memberships, and you can read what each of these will do, or you can make it private. For the purpose of this, I'm going to create a private membership once. I'm going to make it private and then simply click on create group. Once you create the group, you will see you'll have a few options here that you can use for the group settings. So that's going to make it either private or public close or public open. You can set the library reading to. Or you can just leave it as is. It's really depending on whatever group you create. It's going to have some settings there, and you can just go through and make some adjustment if you so desire. Then click on save settings. Once you click on save settings, guys, after making any small changes, then your group will be created. Then if you go back at the top here and click on groups, you'll be able to see that you have those different groups added here, and you can see the status, so much members in the group, and so forth, right? Any point in time you want to open up your group or access your group, you can click on that and you'll be taken into the group where you can start basically add items and collaborate and stuff, and you'll be able to see quite a lot there. So here's the members. You can click on it. You can see the members here. You can see their different kind of visibility, and you can see details about those members if they've filled their profile and so forth. But if you're looking for a way to create groups, this is how you can create the groups. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.